What up, Crypto Warriors? It's Sergeant Crypto, and I'm back at it again. Yo, it's a sea of green. Did we just get out of that bull market? I don't know about all that, but before we get on to all that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new here, and also hit that like button because it does help the channel to, spread around the YouTube universe. All right, and also hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video. So let's get into it. Pretty much a sea of green. I mean, except for Ripple, it's down 1.5%, but that's not a lot. It's been trading between 130 and like 138 for the past couple of days, so it's pretty much steady. But everything else, man, man, I just hit refresh, so now everything is like red now. It's making me look bad, but for the most part, we're at a quote unquote recovery. I don't think so. I just think that we aren't out of the hole yet, so to speak. We're definitely not out of the hole yet, and still it's not time to go popping champagne bottles and shit, unless you're winning, like 8 shares hit over here, up 27.5% pretty much over the last 24 hours. Let's see who the real winners were over the last 24 hours. Oh damn, iOS token? Does that have anything to do with Apple? Doubt it. But look at that, up 61.89%. That is a lot. Up a lot. But yeah, these are all the winners today. I won't go through all that. Steam is up. Just like I said, opened up in one of my last videos. I just got approved for my Steam account. Just got approved pretty much. So I'll start uploading videos to Steam as well. All right. If you don't know what Steam is, it's a social network platform where content creators get paid, and the curators, meaning the people that like it, the contents, and comment on the content, they get paid as well. So it's a win-win situation for everybody. All right. If you haven't noticed, over the past couple of weeks, anytime any old company mentioned blockchain, Bitcoin, or anything of the such, their share prices jump. And this oil company here, they're going to be selling Bitcoin ATMs at casinos, and they just mentioned it, and they're pretty much, the stock jumps 60%. Last week, the same thing happened with Kodak. Kodak was pretty much a dead company, and their stock prices, raised, I think, well over 50% as well. And I think the week before that, like 2 weeks ago, we had the Long Island iced tea company. They said that they're a blockchain company now, and all of a sudden their share prices jumped, several 100% as well. So, this is the time where you got to be, careful about, if you're invested in the stock market, just be mindful of, companies saying that they're blockchain now, or, something with Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. They're just, riding the wave, so to speak, to, fill their pockets pretty much. All right. So, an oil company selling ATMs, I don't know. I'll leave a link for this story in the description below. But pretty much it's a oil refinery company, and, Israel has banned Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. But this oil company, I guess, out of Israel, this oil refinery company, they found a way around it to sell Bitcoin ATMs in, I think it's Turkey. I think they said they're going to be selling it. So like I said, the story will be linked below. But that's not why I came on here today. I just found this on Twitter, and this is from Patrick Wyland. All right, at P Wyland Trading. All right, so let's read it. Really interesting example of diversification. Guy puts $200 in 30 different crypto coins beginning of 2017. He turned $6,000 into $700K by the end of 2017. Talk about a return on investment. How effing crazy is that? This is why I always say, yo, just HODL, man. You know, especially during these times right now, you'll just, you know, hold your coin. And if you have the capital, invest more into the coin that you like or that you support even more, you know. So here it is. His total, you know, paid 200, and at the time, you know, he paid 9. You know, this was a price. This is how much Bitcoin he owned. So this is Bitcoin. This is how much he owned, right? This is what he paid, or the paid price, and this is what he ended up with at the end of 2017. This is the price of Bitcoin at the end of 2017, pretty much. And again, how much he paid. Worth of 0.207 Bitcoin, $3,100. You know, that's how much he gained in fiat value, and that's how much the percentage he gained. All right, this is the size of Bitcoin in his portfolio. But his big gainers were Ripple, of course, because we saw Ripple, how much that jumped. Look at that, it jumped to 350 pretty much. So he has a crap. Look at that, he has a grip of Ripple. You know, 30,000 Ripple coins. You know, 45 Litecoin, Monero. So, geez, look at this. Ethereum Classic. Ethereum, look how many Ethereums he has. So, you know, buy coins that you like, hold that shit, and see what happens at the end of 2018. Don't fret or worry about the FUD coming out from different sources saying that, you know, Bitcoin is a bubble, cryptocurrencies are being banned in this country, in that country, you know, they're going to be more regulated, blah, blah, blah. I sat on the sidelines all of last year, pretty much. It didn't get into crypto, or, you know, fully until the end of October 30th to be exact. And if I had gotten it earlier, you know, I'll be sitting pretty right now too. I sat on the sidelines and just was like, oh, you know, I was listening to the mainstream media. Oh, it's a bubble. It's not real. It's all these other things. And, you know, I missed out on all these gains. So don't miss out on these gains, man. Don't miss out on these gains. All right. That's all I got to, you know, say about that. And like I said, I'm still doing ICO research here on ICO Alert. ICOalert.com, and just checking out some different ones here, because this, you know, ICOs could be a game changer as well. You know, you put a few hundred in, or even just 100, and you get some tokens, and when they finally hit the market, you know, you could possibly 1000x your money, and then you have more money now to put into another ICO and then flip that as well. And then so on and so forth, and just keep growing your capital to invest in ICOs. All right, so it's your boy Sergeant Crypto. Don't forget, people, to smash that like button. All right, this way YouTube spreads a good word about Sergeant Crypto. Subscribe if you're new here, and hit that notification bell, man. Thanks for the support. It's your boy Sergeant Crypto, and I'm out. Let's get that crypto, man. That's what it's always about. Always getting that crypto. Peace.